We are given the coordinates of the vertices of triangle ABC. We are asked for the length of the altitude to the segment AB. First, let's see what we need to know to solve this problem and develop a strategy. I'm drawing my triangle ABC. I see the altitude to the segment AB. Then I think as follows. Since I know the coordinates of points A and B, I can write the equation of this line. Since I also know the coordinates of C, I can find the length h by calculating the distance from the point to the line. Now let's look at the steps required for this. First, I will calculate the slope of the line AB. Then, since I know both the slope of this line and the coordinates of one of its points, I will write its equation. After writing its equation, I know a point as well. I know the equation for this. I will use my formula to find the altitude. You can find the proof of this formula on my channel. Now let's start solving the problem. First, let's find the slope of the line AB. I will divide the difference between the ordinates by the difference between the abscissas. I'm doing the calculation here, -12/5. After finding the slope, I also know one point. Now I can write its equation. Y minus my ordinate equals the slope times x minus my abscissa. Now let's simplify these. This part will be y plus 10. The 5 will be multiplied over here. Now let's take the terms here and move them to the left side. Here is the equation of my line. I have the point, I have the equation of my line. Now from the distance of the point to the line, I can find the height. Let's get started. First, let's write our formula here. Now here, A is 12, B is 5, C is 26, and x0 and y0 represent the coordinates of the point here. Now let's substitute these values here. Let's do the calculation here. This part will be -12. The 5's will cancel each other out. This part will be 12. 144 plus 25 will make 169. -12 and +12 cancel each other out. The square root of 169 is equal to 13. From 26 divided by 13, I find the height to be 2. If you have different questions about analytic geometry, you can write them in the comments.